Welcome to the EMMO NOMADO assembly video. This video will guide you through the step-by-step unboxing and assembly process. Control the force when using an impact wrench to prevent screw damage. Confirm the bike's model and color. Record the serial number and take a photo for reference. First, use flat side cutters to cut the strapping band. Then, have a friend help lift the carton. Remove the 4 vertical square tubes first, then the 6 diagonal ones. Use a 10 mm socket and a 10 mm wrench to unscrew the bolts of the iron frame. When placing the front wheel, ensure the side with the disc brake rotor faces up to avoid ground contact. After removing some of the square tubes, you'll find some necessary parts for assembling the bike in an accessory box. Use flat nose pliers to cut the stainless steel cable wires. Use a 10 mm socket and wrench to remove the flat bar securing the e-bike. Use a 6 mm Allen key to remove the flat bar, then reinstall the screws. Remove the remaining iron frame from top to bottom. Remove all the packaging from the bike carefully. Follow the installation warnings to prevent damage to components. After removing all the packaging, you'll find the rearview mirrors and front fender. Now, start installing the front wheel. Using a 17 mm socket and wrench. Remove the wheel axle and nut from the fork and keep them. There are 3 nuts of different lengths and 1 wheel axle. Find a helper to pull the rear back and press it down to lift the front. Ensure the disc brake pads are on the bike's left side. Align the front wheel with the fork dropouts, ensuring the rotor fits between the brake pads. Insert the wheel axle from the bike's left side to the right. Pass it through the fork, a medium-length nut, and the wheel. After reaching the right side, pass it through the longest nut and the fork. Secure the shortest nut on the outside using a 17 mm socket and a 17 mm wrench. Use the key to open the electrical box and remove the screws needed to install the front fender. You will find 5 screws, one of which is smaller than the others. Install the front fender with 3 screw holes facing left. Use 4 identical screws to attach the front fender to the fork. Then secure them with a 10 mm wrench. Secure the brake cable holder with the smallest screw, then tighten it with a 10 mm wrench. Start by installing the handlebar. Use a 10 mm wrench to remove the Bluetooth display, then adjust the handlebar. Loosen the handlebars on both sides with an 8 mm Allen key, adjust to your desired angle, and tighten. Once the handlebar is adjusted, reinstall the Bluetooth display. Use a 6 mm Allen key to reattach the handlebar mount. Next, install the rearview mirrors, adjust their angle, and tighten them with a 14 mm wrench. Adjust the headlight as needed, then secure it with a 15mm wrench. Install the pedals next. Identify the left and right pedals based on the markings. Tighten the right pedal clockwise, then use a 15mm wrench to secure it with a wrench. Tighten the left pedal counterclockwise, then use a 15mm wrench to secure it with a wrench. Final check. Open the electrical box and connect the e-bike to the battery, ensuring the symbols match. Push the blue switch under the seat forward to turn on the power. Once charging, the green light on the charger indicates it's in progress. Pump both tires to the recommended pressure, between 25 and 30 psi.